The shell feature hollows out the inside of the solid, leaving a shell of specified wall thickness. Here I have drawn a rectangle and extruded it to a certain value. And I'm going to apply the shell feature on this solid geometry. And to activate the shell command, click on the shell from the ribbon and select the reference. And here it asks me to select the surface which I want to remove. For example, if I want to remove the surface, just select this surface. And now my shell feature is applied on this solid geometry. And currently it has a thickness of about 5. If you want to add thickness, just double tap here or else type some suitable thickness value in the thickness box. Let me type a value of 10. And also you can flip the direction of your thickness whether you want inside or outside by using this invert tool. And select the reference again, and here I have the option called the non-default thickness. So currently in my model it has a uniform thickness of about 10. If I want to vary my thickness to a particular surface, select the non-default thickness in the reference tab or else right click on the graphics area and then select the non-default thickness. I want to vary the thickness on this surface, so just select this surface and now you see that I have a different drag handle here. So just click and drag to vary your thickness. And to select the multiple surfaces, use the Control key. And now you see that the thickness of the shell feature varies by using this non-default thickness option. And then give a check mark to it. And for exploring the other options, I have drawn the another part, which is just a cup. And to activate the shell, again I'm going to click on the shell from the ribbon and I want to remove this surface, so just select this surface. And now you see that the shell feature is also applied on the drag handle and it is creating a hole here. So I don't need that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit the shell feature, and if I go to the options tab, I have an option called the excluded surface, which is used to exclude the shell feature. So select the excluded surface from the options tab or right click on the graphics area and then select the exclude surface. So I'm going to select this handle here. To select it, use the Control key to select the multiple surfaces. And now you see that the shell feature is not applied on the handle. And then I'm going to give a check mark to it. So now my module is correct. And also in the options tab, I have an option called the surface extension. So this is used to extend the inner surfaces. So if I select this extend excluded surfaces, my excluded surface here is this handle here and it will be extended to the nearby surface. So I don't need that. So I'm going to click on this extend inner surface.